Hello, today I'm reviewing the Ryobi, the premium electric power washer. It's 2000 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. This right here is the Ryobi item number RY141900. Manufacturer number is 090079281. I'm going to be using this power washer to clean up this filthy air conditioning coil, and I had to blow out these and all these other AC coils because on top of a fast food restaurant, unfortunately, things become a little nasty. So let's start testing this Ryobi out so I can give a review on its operation and performance. What I like is about this Ryobi, because I've already used it on the upper unit, is it's not running all the time. It comes on just as needed. Now this is some nasty stuff on this coil. Now I'm only using hot water, thank goodness, because of all these nasty filthy grease things. The hot water is knocking a lot of this junk out, but it's not perfect. I may have to, even though I'm not supposed to use coil cleaner on a micro channel, I might have to hit this up with a little bit, because I'm not sure, if I don't, how I'm going to get all of that off. It's on there. It's on there. As you can see, it is taking the grease off. It is cutting through the grease. Inside out, we are improving out. Just a little enough. Power wash is really nice to water. Oh, just water alone, you can see what it means and what's not mean, the big difference. And unfortunately, that, once I soften, it's not sure what it's doing. But let's soften it up a little. This stuff is not going to come off. Actually, first, please glance. First, I'm going to quit once over, and then soften up. That's it. That's on this trim. Okay, so let's continue. My battery ended up dying on me. As you can see though, I cleaned up quite a bit of this coil. This electric Ryobi is doing the job. It has enough power. It's a lot lighter than a gasoline engine, so it's easier for me to get up here on the roof, and it's able to handle the hot water that's going through it. I mean, you have hot water going through it, so it's not like it's being cooled off by cold water. Easier. I did spray him though. Alright, well, you saw the coil before, now here's the coil after. Looks nothing alike. All that greasy, crappy cheeseburger, french fry, oil crap grease off that coil. But you know what? It's made me hungry. It really has. Being up here, I started smelling cheeseburgers. So, look what's across the street, Smash Burger. Cheeseburgers. Till next time. I'm Bill from Bill's Tools, and I'm out. Oh yeah, I will fill you back in on what I thought of the power washer. Hi, I'm Bill from Bill's Tools, and today I was using the Ryobi, the premium electric pressure washer. And it's really a nice pressure washer. It gives you 2,000 psi at 1.2 gallons per minute. It gives you 3 different nozzles. It gives you a 15-degree angle nozzle right here, which gives you a lot of really strong pressure to clear through whatever you're trying to clean. It gives you a soap dispensing nozzle to applicate soap or detergent or cleaner. And then it gives you a turbo nozzle. This is the Ryobi RY141900, and it's a 13 amp motor. It's got a hose reel right here, so this way you can wrap your hose up. It holds on to the nozzle. It's got a good spray gun with a metal wand. And I mean, you can't go wrong with this. I mean, I've always used gasoline powered ones. And this today was the first time I ever used an electric pressure washer for cleaning condensers, air conditioning condensers on commercial rooftop units. This electric pressure washer, I definitely give it a thumbs up. I definitely recommend it. So if you're in the market for a pressure washer and you don't want to be lugging around gasoline, check out this Ryobi pressure washer. You can't go wrong here. And it's a lot lighter. Till next time, I'm out. Hit like and subscribe.